Maxie's?
I hit it!
You hit it.
We're about to bang out the master bedroom closet wall.
Yeah.
Huh?
So outside, we showed you guys a few weeks ago that we planted some grass, and we also bought a little play set. Well, we're still waiting for the grass to grow, and we have not put up the play set yet because we're waiting for the grass. So we have been pretty bored since we can't really go anywhere, and now we can't play in the backyard. So I've been trying to get a little bit creative to think of something for the kids to do. And we're not quite ready for this wall to come out, but it needs to happen eventually. So I'm just gonna let them knock it out just to have something to do to get their energy out. So, oh my. So I drew a line here because on the other side of this is the shower in the bathroom. In fact, I'll show you.
No, it's the other room and then the shower.
No, this should be the shower right here on the other side of this wall.
I thought it goes that room, then the shower.
No, come here, I'll show you. Come with me.
Oh yeah, man, you're right. Sure enough.
I sure enough am right.
It's right there.
This is kind of hard to see, but this right here is what I'm going to have the kids knock down. So we'll take the shower out eventually, but we're just not going to do that today. We'll have them break down this wall, and we'll see how it looks.
Ta-da! Time to go back and bang.
Nice.
Oh, got the hammers. Great. Need help.
Need help?
There we go.
Nice.
Oh, this is just a hole. Hear that?
Was that stuff falling down?
Yeah, I assume so. Great. Getting this hammer stuff. How?
We can only find one of Travis's hammers, so we're going to have the kids take turns.
I can get that better.
See the line?
Yeah.
Do not hit past the line. Only hit on that side of the line, okay?
Let's put your straw behind us.
Oh, Sawyer.
Go right here. You can't go around one. Just go right here, okay? Okay.
And then leave a spot at the bottom for Max to do.
Watch out.
Here, let me just check your
See you. Look out that. You're knocking down pieces of mine.
Man, I don't feel like I'm very safe right here. I'm gonna back up. Everybody back up. Back up, back up, back up. Lincoln's swinging like a wild man.
Yeah, he's swinging like a wild.
Okay, it's Maxie's turn for a minute.
Max, this swing there.
Okay, give him the hammer. Watch out, Link.
He gets to swing wherever. Whoa!
Good job, Max.
Here it is. He hammered through there.
Whoa.
It just drive on that stair. Woohoo, baby! We don't have to walk through there after all. I did not know that. Like, you want to come to me?
Good job. It's a mess, huh?
Mom, you can't keep it. Biking! Mom, biking!
Are you breaking it?
She surrounded by biking!
Alright, Maxie, it's Sawyer's turn. Everybody get out. Sawyer's gonna bang. You can watch, but stand back, okay? made it home,
I
huh?
can't miss that, baby. I'm not a huge one. Big right there.
So here we are at the Knolls, and we're at the top of one of the little mountains here, one of the smallest ones. Over there is where you're riding in the sand, and we're camped. You can kind of see our truck right about there. Oh, let's watch these dirt bikes going up this hill now. You know, it looks steeper here than it does when you're really there, but that's for dirt bikes. That's not for four-wheelers. Our four-wheeler, anyway.
I've seen the ones that the biggest rollers that I've seen like tip over, and I've seen them like tip over and stuff.
You saw them tip over here?
No, like on videos I've seen them tip over.
On videos, huh?
Yeah, on like shows of
Maxie, do you want to say anything? It's about Maxie's bedtime. Okay, go ahead, guys. We'll follow. Well, I just climbed to the top of this sand mound, and we definitely have the wrong four-wheeler, wrong tires for this, because I cannot hardly even move. But it's really cool. This is like powdery sand. Not enough speed. Just trying to make it up this sandy hill. It's actually really hard to get up this sand hill. It took me 2 tries. And then the sand is so slippery, you just can't get any grip on your tires. You just gotta gun it. Gun it, gun it! Too slow! You gotta gun it. When you rode past it, it stuck its tongue out. I'll try and make this snake move when we're all watching. Look at the trail he left. That's pretty cool, huh, guys? Lincoln! Yeah, good job. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's slippery. Are you stuck in a toilet bowl? Lincoln's a big stuck piece of poop. I'll come help you, Link. You're stuck. Here, give me your head. Oh, I'm sliding. Go, no, don't. Stay up there. Okay, hold up, Sawyer. All right, go ahead. Oh, sorry. On the mark, get set, go. Yeah. Oh, almost, Link. Oh.
I did it. I can do it all the way up and get from there.
Okay, sorry, watch me do it now.
Daddy's turn. There he is. Ooh. Oh, there's Lincoln, guys. Ooh, almost made it.
Man, he smells something.
You see anything? No, let's dig for it.
He shows his nose in the dark. You tired?
You ready to go to sleep?
Maxie's falling asleep.
You guys doing okay?
Throws the salt so it goes everywhere.
On your bike?
There's like a layer of wet underneath the top layer of dry that's just sticking to everything. When you're riding, it's just shooting up at you.
Oh, gross.
Daddy, look at yours. Backfire.
Oh yeah,
Look
it
at
got
mine.
sprayed. Yours even more.
That's